Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to my scramble. If you guys don't know what I mean, it's just because this scramble, there's different ways, many ways to scramble. Different ways to scramble things. The cube to scramble, like you can use the 4 moves, whatever. Sexy move, 4 moves. If you guys don't know what I mean, just check out the video. Links in the description. And yeah, first you do the dots. You guys should know that. Links will be in the description too. Then next, dots first. My scramble. Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. That's one of my scrambles. The second scramble is do the same thing. You can just flip it around. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. There you go. This is my scramble. But I have 3 scrambles. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back, guys. Yeah. Next one will be just the 4 moves. Third one, the final one. The 4 moves. And you're good to go. Okay. If you want a thing that went past the screen, down here, like down here, there, down there, you just see that thing, the purple thing. Yep. There, you see that? I made a cube. Check out the video, me solving it. The link's in the description. 3 links. It's like the 3 ways I mess up. Scramble, the flip cube. Same video in the cube. Doesn't matter. I'm not gonna show it to you because if I mess it up, I'll take longer. It's almost take. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, but I said Rubik's Cube, why not, honestly? Why not? Why not? Bye.